Hey guys, I'm Amina. Welcome to my channel. Last year I decided to join Weight Watchers and lost 30 pounds. Yes, 30 pounds. Weight Watchers works and it is sustainable. I have been on maintenance for the past 5 months and I feel great. 30 pounds lighter. So I wanted to share my story with you guys, share my recipes, share my tools, pretty much everything that helped me lose the weight, I'm gonna share it with you, and hopefully this will inspire you. What I learned from Weight Watchers is you don't have to eat boring food in order for you to lose weight. When you try my recipe or you see the food that I make, that I'm gonna share with you guys, they look beautiful and then they're tasty and they're super healthy. So let's do this together. If you have any questions, please ask me. I'm gonna answer you. I'm gonna try to guide you as much as I can. So let's do this.